Okay, hi, this is I Don't DIY number 2. So this is basically my kitchen. This is my kitchen, which I spent the evening emptying out. So all the cupboards now, do this backwards, all my cupboards are now empty. The installation starts tomorrow, and I've sort of marked out what's going to happen. So, doing this backwards. This here is where the line of the cabinets is this is where my workshop is actually going to start, not here, here. Because actually this space back here is just space behind these cabinets. There's nothing back here. It's actually they end around here, and the reason for that is the placement of this cooker, which is right there. They placed that cooker there, which meant they had to do a smooth long line, wasting all this space. And the other thing that I really have a problem with, on the thing, is my fridge, which is right there. Oh, there we go. My fridge right there, which is right behind the, right in front of the window, blocking the window. And so what it means is that the sun comes in, hit the back of the fridge, and it's not very inefficient. So instead, the fridge will be moved into this corner behind me here. That light switch will be moved to the other side of the wall. And so the fridge will be literally there. And then the cooker will be sort of in this middle space here. There'll be like cabinets here, cabinets there, and it will look quite similar because the extractor fan will be built into the cabinets. It will be at the same sort of length. It'll go out the top of up through the roof, because that was the thing I really disliked about this one. All it did was create steam, steam and mess up the room. Annoying to do the filters. 1980s design. I think these were originally white. They've gradually yellowed over time. The replacement will be white. These high 1980s spot lamps replaced by GU10 LEDs. They better be GU10. And then this line, which will be back here, will go to the window, which will end up out there at the windowsill. And that means that there won't be anything, top again, there won't be anything in this space here. And so the lack of anything in that space there, that sort of diagonal, that diagonal there will be enough space to have put a bike. Well, that diagonal there we go. There's about enough space to have a bike in that space, so I can actually do my bike maintenance. And also the cupboards, these are the most inefficient cupboards. There's only 2 shelves. The IKEA cupboards, they actually start here. The bottom of the cupboard is here, the top of the cupboard is here, whereas this is just a trim piece. It's just a trim piece. The cupboard actually starts here and at the top, 80 centimetres rather than 75, and they have 3 shelves. And I think even though I'm going to end up with slightly fewer cupboards, I might end up with a bit more space. And down here, yeah, I'll have just, because the oven will be there, but I'll have drawers there and on the other side, and then just cupboards down there. So it might be okay, we shall see. So that's a very quick documenting of what my old kitchen looks like. The cost of the kitchen refurb is £5 grand. Both the quotes I had were £5 grand. And because they're going to skim it. If you look closely at this wall, let's turn me around. How do I do that? Can I turn around? Apparently not. It's really sort of, yeah, ugly. And you can see down here, not happy at all. Not happy at all. So they're going to do like a bathtub waterproofing against any damp. Also really ugly here. I don't even know why they're doing that. That's what, and they need to put in extra electrical sockets so that you can have a single place to turn everything off. Having a few more electrical sockets around the place. They're going to paint it white, replaster it, do regulation electrics, plumbing, some laminate flooring over the tile because it's really cold floor in here, so at least it'll be a little bit warmer. And I've got a new sliding door in order. There's no door at the moment, but I've got the track for a sliding door up in there. I don't know. That was meant to come tomorrow, but they say that they sent me emails and phone calls, but I didn't get any phone calls. So so I only saw the email after they said, oh, well, we never respond to us. So I replied, so I'm here, just send it, just send the door. And then the builders just need to cut the tops off and the bottoms off and slide it in, and then this gets totally sealed in from the outside. I mean, what a weird design. So that wall will be completely blank. I can put shelves and hang pots. Under these cabinets, the new cabinets, they'll be under cabinet lighting. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So this is my old kitchen, documenting how my old kitchen looks. White tiles everywhere. I love this. I love the colours here. That's the boiler. I'm not convinced. That's meant to go in the cupboard. The cupboard does fit over it, but I don't know how it's going to hang on the wall or how they're going to attach it to the wall. Hopefully they can figure it out. But very narrow. Look at how narrow that is. Look how narrow this kitchen is. Oh, very narrow. And I'll get just that little bit of extra space where my elbow, where my arm is, right there. So yeah, extra 20 centimetres of width on this very narrow kitchen. Very narrow. I can barely swing a cat. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.